over the hills and fall for mine. She's waiting for love to be realized. I'll send her my heart covered as a gift, and hope that you'll take it into her side.
The Almighty has done great things for me. Holy is His name. It's only because of God's grace and blessings I am here today. He has worked miracles in my life, and His blessings and everlasting love is leading me and taking me forward day by day. I, Sister Sagai Mary, belong to the Sisters of St. Joseph of Tarbes, is a principal of St. Joseph's Convent Girls High School and PU College. The school mistresses who have worked, and I am the 10th one who is working here now. We have completed 75 years of the school, St. Joseph's Convent Girls High School, and we have come a long way in quality and quantity. We have grown not only academically but also extracurricular activities and sports. So I am proud to say that the management, the staff and parents along with the students have worked as a team to take the school to the top 2 in Frasertown, and we will strive to become top one of the schools in Frasertown for the coming days. The 10 years of our PU College. St. Joseph's PU College is the number one college in Frasertown area. We have come a long way in bringing the students from the local area. Many of them belong to the poorer section of the society, but we give them quality education here. And this year, I am proud to announce we got a 10th rank in the state level and 47 distinction, and the overall percentage is 92%. I am very proud. The staff work very hard here, joining with the management and the team. We work together to take these children to the next level. I am proud and happy. We have grown in sports. We have reached state level, national level, and our students have also reached the international level this year for the throw ball, and they will be going to Nepal to represent the next month. We are really happy and proud that as a school and college community, we have grown, and we are happy for the many blessings that we receive from the Lord. As I conclude, I would like to say, growing up, I was taught that ambition is something to celebrate, that it means purpose and determination, having a big idea and running after it, chasing your dreams and having confidence in yourself to reach it. This was a very positive move that helped me to face all challenges, difficulties that I came across in this institution, to take it to the top level. Many times I found it extremely difficult to handle situations and persons, but the Almighty God has been with me, and the management has supported me in all my endeavors. I can only say a big thank you to my God for taking the school and college forward. Thank you. And He continues to assist me with His blessings, and His everlasting love is taking me forward every day. I am Sister Sagai Mary, Principal of St. Joseph's Convent Girls High School and PU College. The motto of our school and college is Virtue and Labor. The school began in 1944 under the able guidance of Mother Morris, and there has been 9 principals who have worked in the high school for the past 75 years, and I am the 10th principal of the school and college. In 2019, the school celebrated the 75 years of the inception, and we have grown in quality and quantity. We have come a long way. We have grown in academics, extracurricular activities, and sports. We are happy and proud, along with the management, the staff, the parents. We all have worked together to make the school in top 5, standing second in Frasertown area. I am proud to say that the school is striving hard to cater to the poor and the needy. And definitely, we will work hard to reach the topmost place. May God Guide us in all our endeavors.